Welcome to Electronics Arena, your one-stop destination for latest tech leaks. In this video, we take a look at the all-new iPad Pro M4. This new iPad from Apple is the thinnest Apple product ever at 5.1 mm for the larger iPad Pro 13-inch. You also get the all-new Apple Pencil Pro, which has some extraordinary features. The new iPads have amazing design and build quality, but there's no doubt Apple is flexing its hardware engineering muscles with these new tablets, not just with the M4 chip inside. Both tablets are noticeably thinner and lighter than the ones they replace, something I didn't really think was possible before. It's frankly a little absurd to see such a thin and light device with such an advanced display and powerful processor. It still feels like the prior iPad Pro, just in a more refined package. My big question is around durability, something Apple mentioned during its keynote. I'd be a little worried about bending these iPads, but hopefully this is something Apple rigorously tested for. After the impressive physical specifications, the next thing you can't miss is the OLED screen. I also got a chance to check out the Apple Pencil Pro, which looks and feels nearly identical to the second-generation Apple Pencil revealed way back in 2018. That's okay, as the form factor is fine with me. It still connects to the side of the iPad Pro to charge and pair. All of its new tricks are under the hood. Squeezing the pencil gives you a little burst of haptic feedback and pulls up a pane for selecting what brush you want to use in the freeform app demo I tried. All in all, the new iPads are crazy and expensive. What do you think about the all-new iPad Pro? Let us know in the comment section below. Stay tuned for more.